my loves. Okay, so today I am unboxing the 18-inch Dobby from the Bradford exchange. I'm super stoked. I've seen this like 3 times on Instagram and I was like, where the heck did everyone get this from? And I was like, I need that. I want that. So I called the Bradford exchange because I found it on their website and I just did an order that way. Let's open this one up. I hope I'm not like cutting the box. It's really like secure with tape, so that's a good thing. Okay, good. I didn't cut the box. All right, so I was like, I need this for my shelf. I want to, oh, you won't see. There's another top part right here, and I want to put Dobby right there, and I want to give him my Gryffindor tie to wear or buy him another tie so he could have his own. And okay, we got that opened, so that's what it looks like. How cute. Okay, I know I didn't even open him yet and I'm like, how cute, but I know he's gonna be cute. It's Dobby. Alright, let's open that one up. Okay, now we don't need that box. Let's toss that over there. Hopefully I won't need those scissors to open him up. So that's what it looks like. This is like anticipating. Because, okay. I'm anticipating Dobby. I said that wrong, but whatever. Oh my goodness. Look at Dobby. Isn't that the cutest thing in the world? He comes with a certificate of authenticity. Wow. He comes with a sock? He comes with a sock! Oh my god, okay. Okay. Let's see. I'll put a sock right here on the box. I guess we'll just do this then. And he comes like wrapped up with like little ribbon. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I think that most people would be freaked out by this, because some people were when I told them about it, and I was like, okay, but I'm not. Life of a Potterhead, right? I don't want to break him. Alright. He really will be a free elf once I untie him. Poor Dobby. See, I knew I would need the scissors. Okay. There we go. They really tape this up. I mean, that's good so it doesn't get broken because it was expensive. But anything from Bradford Exchange is a little pricey. But if you want to treat yourself like I did, then go on ahead. I'm going to take this little tag off, but I'm going to keep it somewhere. Because it's a collector's piece. Look at Dobby. Dobby is free. He's cute. I was like, I need to open him up. Like, he came yesterday, so I couldn't do it because I had to run out. And then today I was like, I'm definitely going to open him up. Isn't he cute? Let me know down below what your thoughts are on this Dobby doll. Wait. I just dropped his sock. And then, let's see. Does he want to hold his sock like that? So let me know what your thoughts are down below on this Dobby doll. I'll try to leave the link down below if I could find it again. And let me know if you're going to be purchasing this because it is so cute. I can't wait to put him on my shelf and give him a tie and everything. Welcome home, Dobby. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. Let me know once again what your thoughts are on this Dobby doll. They do have like the goblin from Gringotts and everything, so If you want to get that, they have a Mandrake, a Cornish Pixie, Harry with Hedwig, so many options, but I want a Dobby just for now. So let me know down below what your thoughts are on this. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.